Hello and welcome to Sea Gunzels. I'm Woodra and today we're going to be looking at level crossing removals on the Glen Waverley line. What you're looking at here is one of them. This is the Toorak Road SkyRail. And the other one is the level crossing removal at Gardiner station, the first ever level crossing removal under the Level Crossing Removal Authority in Melbourne. So I hope you enjoy and I'll see you in the outro. So there you go, trains at both of the places where there has been level crossing removal on the Glen Waverley line, Toorak Road SkyRail and Gardiner Station. So thank you for watching. I did post a teaser about this video on my subreddit r/city_gunsels_yt, and if you had followed me on Reddit and saw that post, you would have known that this was coming. So links to all my social media will be down in the description. Thank you for watching this City Gunsels video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, and go check out my Flickr account and my subreddit and my Reddit account. Anyway, thank you for watching City Gunsels. Bye for now.